So the art of slowing it down is an art for most people. Before I tell you about more ideas, this video is all about that. It is for those that are suffering right now with anxiety or stress, and they need to learn how to slow it down. But what we're going to do is start off with a quick breath technique. And actually, this is a good pointer for you if you are suffering right now. Start with the breath before you do anything else. So why don't you follow along with me? This is going to be very easy. It's going to be parasympathetic, meaning it's going to calm you down. So breathe with me. I will guide you through it. And if you're ready, let's go. Start with a big inhale, slowly, from the belly, from the root, from the base of the belly. Inhale all the way through your nose. Hold. Exhale through pursed lips as if you're blowing through a straw. Let's do that again. And this time, when you exhale, I want you to drop your shoulders and also exhale with an audible sigh. And that sigh will act as a signal to the brain, to the body, that you wish to calm down. Are you ready? All the way to the top. Hold. Exhale with a sigh. Drop your shoulders as you do so. Let's do it one more time. Exhale with a sigh, drop your shoulders as you do so. Okay, good. Now you might like to close your eyes for the next bit. It's up to you. You're in a safe place. The breathing will be smooth. And I want you to focus, first of all, on breathing through nose only, if you can, and don't worry if you can't. And every inhale, I want you to breathe from the belly. And what I mean is, every inhale, your stomach moves out. And every exhale, your stomach moves back in. And that breath will follow from the base of your stomach up into the chest and back down again. We're going to breathe in a 4/4 rhythm, and I will guide you. I want you to retain that breath through the nose. Exhale either through the nose or the mouth, whatever feels most comfortable. Are you ready? And in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4. Keep it cyclical. In. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4. Nice and smooth. In. 2, 3, 4, and 4. Now slow it down. In, 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and out. We're going to slow it down more. And in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4. And now what I want you to do is keep breathing nice and slow. And I want you to feel as if you no longer need to breathe as deep as you were. So I want you to make it slightly shallower breath. Still breathing with your stomach from the root up through the chest, but less oxygen is going in and less carbon dioxide is going out. But it has to be comfortable. Just consciously make that breath shallower by moving your stomach less. And I want you to get to a point where it just feels comfortable. Less air going in, less air going out. Still keeping it smooth. No pause at either end of the inhale or the exhale. And that's good. Okay, you've just slowed down your breathing and therefore you've acted on your nervous system. You've turned on that parasympathetic part of the nervous system. You've calmed yourself down. And it feels better, doesn't it? And when we breathe less, we become calm. If we are calm, we're already breathing less. So this is where it always starts. Whenever you're anxious, stressed, turn to the breath first of all and just slow it down consciously. Use your nose. There's a reason why this is on your face. It is the optimal orifice for breathing. And when you're breathing It's often a mindful practice to focus on the cool air entering the nose and the warm air either exiting the nose or the mouth on the exhale. And when you do that, you then focus also on the movement of your belly. That allows you to be more present, to not be affected by time. Because when we are aware of time, then we're taken out of the present. So now you're in a slightly calmer state. That's great. Let's talk about some other ideas, because slowing it down really can be applied to pretty much everything in life. And there will be both psychological and physiological benefits to doing it. So now what I want you to do is to hit play on Slowing It Down Part 2. And I'll show you lots of ideas that you can build into your day for slowing it down. And all you need to do is to remind yourself every 45 minutes to an hour, try one of these ideas. And then you've got a whole day of slowing it down. And believe me, by the end of the day, you're going to feel much better. Hopefully you're feeling better already with the slowing down of your breath. See you on the next one.